Okay, so in this video, Emma and I are going to do our very best to put both parts together and not make any mistakes. So you're going to have to wish us a lot of luck. Before then, I want to just clarify something on the tune, because when I first learnt it, I actually learnt it a little bit wrong, and I wonder whether you might fall into the same trap as I did. The melody should sound like this. I'm going to play it on the piano. It should sound like this. And it's the Laya, Loila, which is the tricky bit. So it's Ullay, Loila, Ullay, Loila. We're going to try and sing that as clearly as we can when we do the tape, but forgive us if we make a mistake. The other thing to be really clear about is that when it comes to the performance, that's when you're going to find out whether you are a body percussion 1 or a body percussion 2. And if you are end up being body percussion 1, then you'll be doing what Emma's doing in this video. And if you end up being body percussion 2, you'll be ending up doing what I do. But in any case, there will be a lovely, friendly, helpful music leader stood in front of your group, so that as long as you're watching them, you will know exactly what to do. All right, I can't put it off any longer. This is us doing our very best with Ullay. There it was. Let's get the second one absolutely together. Here we go. Ullay. Ullay. Ullay.